welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Snapchat account. For that, make sure you get the application. Now here you can see two options, login or sign up. If you already have your account, then you can tap on login. But we are about to create one, so we need to tap on sign up. This kind of box will pop up. You can simply allow it according to your preference. Now here you need to create yourself a first name and your last name. After that, you can simply tap on continue. Now you need to choose yourself a birth date. After that, simply tap on continue. Now your username will be provided. You will be able to change this later in settings. Now simply tap on continue. Now here you need to set yourself a password. Password should be at least 8 characters. After you are done creating, simply tap on continue. Now here either you can enter your email or your phone number. For this video, I will use the phone number. Now here you need to simply enter your phone number and tap on finish. Now a confirmation code will be sent to your text message. Simply enter it over here. And now you can see that your Snapchat account has been created. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.